Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Notion Note app on your MacBook. This is very simple and pretty easy. And to download Notion, normally you have to use your web browser since there's no official Notion app on App Store of MacBook. And to do that, normally open your web browser. Here I'm gonna open Google Chrome browser. And now you have to search here Notion for Mac. And now you have to open the first page and choose this download for macOS. And here a file is going to be downloaded. Wait a few seconds. After downloading the file, click on it to open it. Now drag this icon into the applications folder to install it. Here you can see that I have already installed it, so I'm gonna press on this start button. And after moving this icon into the applications folder, it's gonna install on your macOS very easily. Here you can see that I already downloaded it and installed it. And after opening it, normally you can easily use it with your email and password. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.